Today we're tackling a common issue: what to do when your Nintendo JoyCon controller lights aren't turning on. If you're facing this problem, don't worry, I've got some effective fixes for you, so let's get started. First, check the battery level of your JoyCon. Sometimes low battery can cause the lights not to turn on. On your Nintendo Switch home screen, select Controllers. You'll see the battery status of your Joy-Cons here. If the battery is low, simply charge them by attaching them to the Switch or using a charging grip. If the battery isn't the issue, let's try reconnecting your Joy-Con. Detach the Joy-Con from the Switch, then press the small button on the side of the Joy-Con to sync it again. You can also reconnect it by going to System Settings, Controllers and Sensors, and disconnect controllers. If reconnecting didn't work, it's time for a reset. Locate the small reset button on the back of the Joy-Con near the L and R buttons. Use a pin or similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. After resetting, try reconnecting your Joy-Con to see if the lights come on. Another thing to consider is physical damage. Check your Joy-Con for any signs of wear and tear. Inspect the buttons and joystick for any sticking or damage. If something looks off, that could be the cause. Lastly, let's ensure your Nintendo Switch is up to date, as software issues can sometimes affect controller performance. Go to System Settings, then on System and System Update. If an update is available, download and install it. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact Nintendo support for assistance. They can provide more advanced troubleshooting or repair options. And that's it. Those are some effective ways to fix the Nintendo Joy-Con controllers light not turning on.